Good morning, students. Welcome to Amazing Facts. Health is not valued till sickness come. And also, according to one old proverb, cleanliness is next to godliness. That means maintaining a clean surroundings and a fresh mind and body helps to lead a successful life. And at present, because of COVID-19 pandemic, cleanliness plays a vital role, like wearing the mask, washing hands with soap, and using hand sanitizer frequently helps to protect us from the invading germs. So in this video, we are going to see about how does hand sanitizer kill germs. When you're sick and you sneeze, you'll probably got lots of adults telling you to use hand sanitizer. You're always told it kills germs. It even says so on the bottle. But how does it work? And how does hand sanitizer kill germs? After all, when you rub hand sanitizer on your hands, it is not like you can see it working. Germs are too small to be seen. In fact, for a long time, doctors and scientists didn't even know that germs existed. They tried all sorts of things to stop sickness from spreading. But without knowing about germs, that was really hard to do. The first big step forward was the invention of this instrument, the microscope. The very first microscope was invented in 1600 by someone named Antony van Leeuwenhoek. Now you might notice how it didn't look much like the microscopes we have today. But having a microscope meant it was the first time that we could see things as small as germs. Van Leeuwenhoek took his first microscope and placed a drop of pond water on the lens. He was amazed by what he saw, because he saw a lot of tiny little microorganisms swimming around. He called them little animals. He still didn't know that some of these little things could cause people to get sick. Eventually, though, other scientists figured out that these little animals aren't animals at all. They are germs. As microscopes have gotten better, we have discovered that there are different kinds of germs. Some germs are really weird looking, like amoeba. So amoeba is a microscopic blob that moves around. But one of the most common germs looks like this. They are called bacteria. Not all bacteria make you sick. Some of them aren't bad at all. But if you ever had strep throat, that's sickness caused by the bacteria. This what strep bacteria looks like under a microscope. Here's another common germ. It is known as virus. Just like bacteria, there are lots of different kinds of virus. The virus on the left is one that causes the flu. But not all viruses look like that. The ones on the right here to me almost look like the alien robots. It's so easy for us to carry around these microscopic bacteria and viruses all over our hands without even knowing it. Scientists realized that if we could discover the ways to kill or remove some of these germs, then we could stop sickness from spreading. Hand sanitizer is one of the ways that we can kill the germs. But how does it work? You might have noticed when you use hand sanitizer, especially if you use a lot, it can leave your hands feeling really dry. That's because hand sanitizer is mostly made up of alcohol. Alcohol is a substance with many interesting properties. One of these properties is that alcohol is really good at drying things out. Alcohol dries up the oils on your skin, which is what makes up your hands feel dry. But while it's doing that, It also drying up the germs on your skin. When germs get dried out, their outer layer gets broken open instantly, killing the germ. If your hands actually have dirt on them, using hand sanitizer isn't going to get the dirt off. For that, you still need to wash your hands with soap and water. Plus, washing your hands with soap and water also washes the germs away. So, if you have sensitive skin or you don't want your hands to feel dried, you can wash your hands with soap instead of hand sanitizer. So, keep in mind, hand sanitizer kills germs because it is mostly made up of alcohol, and alcohol can break open the outer layer of germs like bacteria or viruses. Doctors recommend using hand sanitizer whenever you don't have soap and water to wash your hands, so that you can keep from spreading germs. So children, I hope you are benefited with today's information about hand sanitizer. You can't pour from an empty cup, so take care of yourself first. Thank you.